We have been graced with another delivery. Now we should open it up and find out what's in. This is my series of unboxing old stuff, new old stock, mostly car audio stuff. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I see Optimus. 3-way bass reflex speaker system. Hey, there you go. Before we continue the video, let's go back to 1996. Take a look at the Radio Shack catalogs. Check out radioshackcatalogs.com. They have all this information. You can see here the 3-way bass reflex surface mount system, 12-1724, $29.99 back then, which equates to about $58 in 2023. These appear to be some of those surface mount old school speakers. These are 3-way bass reflex speaker system, 30 watts total. That's low for these. Usually they say 500 watts or something, 600 watts. Let's see what the top of the box says. 3-way bass reflex, 3-inch woofer, high efficiency barium magnet, 2-inch mid-range, 1-inch piezo tweeter, 180 hertz to 20 kilohertz. That's more like what it should be. 30 watts capacity per pair. Stylish surface mount enclosure, molded grills with punch metal mesh, perfect for rear deck mounting. 4 ohm impedance, easy to install, no cutting. Includes mounting hardware and illustrated instructions. Well, let's get it open and see what it looks like inside. Okay, looks like we do have some hardware there. I do see the instructions, which is a good sign. Means it's probably never been opened. Radio Shack had the worst instructions back in the day. I think it's literally only one page, front and back. We'll try to flatten that out so we can get it scanned. And yeah, here are these tiny, tiny surface mount speakers. There's literally nothing to these. They almost look like computer speakers, they're so small. All right, let's take a closer look. There's the 3-inch, 2-inch, and then the super duper duper tweeter. There's Optimus. The catalog number is 12-1724, 15 watts, 4 ohms. Has the spring-loaded push terminals. Looks like we got some port action going on. Bass reflex is what they call it. Yeah, you can be reflecting a lot of bass out of these. Optimus 3-way bass reflex speaker system. These things are tiny. They look like they'd be like surround sound speakers at home or something. Not very heavy either. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Not much here. So let's hook them up to the little amplifier and see how they sound. What you say? I say let's do it. We have the mini Optimus surface mount speakers here hooked up to the little Duke Audio home audio amplifier. Should give it plenty of power. So let's try it out and see what Ice and Fire sounds like. Right off the bat, I can tell the mids and highs on these are nice. I mean, for cheap 15-watt speakers, I'm impressed. I mean, get you a subwoofer with these, put them in the rear deck of your classic car. I mean, they're not going to get super loud, but the sound quality of them is surprisingly pretty dang good. Our classic sound quality test track, Smoke Jacket Blues. classic SQ Track Smokey's Lounge. With 3-inch drivers built in, we don't expect a whole lot of bass, but we're going to try it anyway. Ice Flow, Kevin MacLeod. Guess you guys are thinking the same as me. There are screws on the back here. There's also a port right there. Let's take off 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and pull the back of this off and see what it looks like inside. Here we have all 4 screws out. Ready to see it? They probably have it glued. Nope, they don't. Here we go. Get to see the inside. Oh, the wires are kind of tight. Not sure how far I'm going to be able to open it. Maybe enough that you can see it. There we go. We actually have a true 3-way speaker here. Maybe that's why it sounds so good versus the other ones. And a little bit of, oh, that's just to keep the speaker from rattling. But yeah. There you go, 3-inch, 1.5, and super tweeter. Okay, there we have the review of the Optimus 3-way bass reflex speaker system. These tiny little surface mount speakers designed for cars with the push terminals here. Again, the model number is 12-1724, 15 watts, 4 ohms for each of these. I will say they did impress me with the sound quality. It sounded better than I thought they would. However, they don't get very loud, and you have to make sure that you have a high-pass filter on them at around 200, 250 hertz or so you don't get over-excursion there for that small 3-inch woofer. But man, I had very low expectations coming into this, and I have to say that this is one time I was shocked. These actually sounded much better than I expected. So I hope you guys like seeing these videos of this old school equipment that I find brand new in box. We'll unbox it, we'll take a look at it. If possible, we'll take a listen and hook it up. So there you have it for the Optimus surface mount speakers. Till next time, you know where Big D is. I'm out of here.